Samsung is due to introduce its next flagship smartphone series, the Galaxy S25, in about 5 months, but considerable information about the top-tier model, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, has already leaked. If you were hoping for a boost in battery capacity for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you may want to reconsider since there will be no improvements in this area. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a battery capacity of 4,885 mAh, according to recent data from China's required certification database, as reported by 91 models. This is comparable to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, implying that the next model will likewise include a 5,000 mAh battery. Furthermore, previous sources indicate that Samsung will not improve charging speeds for its future flagship, so if you were hoping for a larger battery or faster charging capabilities with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you may be disappointed. Meanwhile, rivals like OnePlus, Oppo, and Xiaomi have already started to equip their flagship cell phones with batteries that surpass 5,000 mAh, with some experimenting with capacities of 6,000 and 7,500 mAh battery. The Galaxy S24 Ultra lasts a full day under heavy use and roughly a day and a half under moderate use. However, a larger battery would surely prolong its life to a day and a half even under heavy use. As smartphone reliance develops, the importance of battery life grows. It would be amazing to see Samsung deploy silicon carbide batteries similar to those used by Chinese manufacturers in their premium smartphones. Depending on the location, the new series will feature either the Exynos 2500 chip or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU, both of which are 3nm processors with considerable performance improvements. There are whispers that these new chipsets, the Snapdragon 8 Gen, may use more power than its predecessors. If Samsung could add a little larger battery, it would be a terrific development, but that does not seem to be on the 8 Gen this year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.